Anshul has not taken a single day break since we started the company, which is Jan. November was the biggest month ever for Wolves. It was a month with a lot of ups and downs, a lot of mini heart attacks, a lot of things happening, then not happening, then it is happening. Almost the whole month, me and Anshul have not slept. The whole month. Almost every single night, Anshul has been awake till 4, 5 in the morning, just walking around, standing in the balcony, going down for a walk, just thinking how to do things, how more I can do in this deal, how things can work. Kept telling Anshul ki ho jayega, don't worry, everything will fall in place. You just, just work hard, and I know you're working hard. More than this, you can't do anything. Anshul has not taken a single day break since we started the company, which is Jan. Can you imagine if somebody is not taking one day leave to chill, to wake up late, to do their things since almost a year now? So when he's going for the road shows and the events, which we've done a lot, it's mostly on Saturdays, Sundays, or Friday, Saturday. He goes there for a weekend. Before going there, he works. In the flight, he's thinking and working. When he's coming back straight, he's at work no matter what time his flight is landing. And he is the one who inspires me every single day. If I get lazy, if I want to wake up half an hour late, he tells me, no, this is not the time for that. He'll get time for that later. It's not the time. And he's someone that has been pushing me since the time I met him, which is almost now over 4 years.